Now here the question is, the probability that a missile hits a target successfully is 0.75. Now in order to destroy the target completely, at least 3 successful hits are required. Then the minimum number of missiles that have to be fired so that probability of completely destroying the target is not less than 0.95. Now probability of success in this case is 0.75, which is 3/4, and probability of failure will be simply 1/4. And suppose number of hits is n, then this probability that target is destroyed will be given by p x is greater than or equal to 3. This probability is not less than 0.95. That means it should be greater than or equal to 0.95. Now we can write probability of x greater than or equal to 3 as 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 2, and it should be greater than or equal to 0.95, or we can write probability of x less than or equal to 2, it should be less than or equal to 0.05. Now this is probability of x equal to 0, so it will be this nc0 p to the power 0 q to the power n plus nc1 p to the power 1 q to the power of n minus 1 plus nc2 p to the power 2 q to the power n minus 2, and will be less than or equal to 0.05. Now this is 1 by 4 to the power n. Now this is 3n upon 4 to the power n, and this is n minus 1 into 9 upon 2 into 4 to the power n, and will be less than or equal to 0.05. Now if we take LCM, we can write 2 plus 6n plus 9n square minus 9n. It should be less than or equal to 4 to the power n divided by 10. Or we can write this as 9n square minus 3n plus 2. It should be less than or equal to 4 to the power n divided by 10. Now we can rearrange this as 5 into 9 to the power n minus 3n plus 2 will be less than or equal to 2 to the power of 2n minus 1. Now we just have to put the value of n to check. So what we'll do is, we'll check it around 3 and we'll see if we need to increase the value of n or decrease the value of n. Now if we take n as 3, we'll get this as 2 to the power 5, 32, and here will be 81. 81 into 5 will be, so what we'll do is we'll check n as 5. Now if we put n as 5, here we'll get 2 to the power 9, and 2 to the power 9 is 512, and here will be this 25 into 9, 225 minus 15 plus 2. Now this value is again greater than 512. Now if we look at n equals 6, for n equals 6, this value will be 2 to the power 11, and 2 to the power 11 is 2048, and here this value will be 5. 9 into 36 minus 18 plus 2, and here left hand side is 1540. So that means the smallest value of n for which this left hand side it is less than right hand side, it is 6. So answer to this question is simply 6.